How to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. Hey, have you started a YouTube channel and you got nobody watching? You know what, none of us did. None of us had any subscribers in the beginning, and I was just making reference, this is how to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. I couldn't have made this video not too long ago because I didn't have 1,000. all right, so everybody starts at zero. Understand that that's not a big deal, but in this video I'm going to give you the things you can do to get that 1,000 subscribers really fast. Let's get started. Here's the big one. Here's the big one that everybody misses. Number one, ask for subscribers. Ask for subscribers. I'll ask you right now, hit the subscribe button down there, turn on bell notifications, right? Do all those things. But if I don't tell you to do that, if I don't tell you to ring that bell, hit that bell notifications, turn on all notifications, you won't know to do it, and you won't see my videos. You'll miss out on them. I don't want that to happen. And I also asked you to subscribe. Do this at the beginning of your videos, do this at the end of your videos. Super important that you ask for subscribers. The other day we were on vacation, we were in Key West, Florida. We were in a little gift shop. I was talking to a guy, he was asking me about my YouTube channel, and guess what I did? I said, go there and subscribe. He goes, oh, I will. I said, no, let's do it right now. So I stood there with him. He pulled out his phone, he pulled up my channel, he subscribed to my channel. Bingo, 1 subscriber. And you say, well, JR, that would take me forever. No, that's the start. Every subscriber matters. You matter. If you just subscribe to me, you matter to me. It's individuals that matter. It's not a group. I don't have thousands of subscribers. I have thousands of individuals. Okay, and that's how you have to think about it. Number two, use resources to encourage subscriber sign up. Now, what do I mean by that? You know, maybe you're going to see a little animation pop up on the screen right here. Okay, that animation will ask you to subscribe. Okay, so you can use animation. So number two is use all of your resources to get people to subscribe. There's a lot of resources out there, but you got to use them. Number three, take advantage of your watermark branding. In YouTube you can put a watermark on there, and that watermark, when people click on it, will allow them to subscribe to your channel. Why not use that? You know, YouTube is providing these things to you. It's so funny because people try to game YouTube. They try to buy subscribers and they try to get fake likes and all this, and none of that works. None of that works. I'm telling you, there is not a software out there, there's not a thing out there, there's not a company out there that's going to get you real live subscribers. Okay, and even if they got you subscribers, if these people didn't really subscribe, they're not going to watch your videos, you're not going to get any clicks on your links, you're not going to sell any products, you're not going to build an audience. There's no shortcut to this. But if you do these things that I'm showing you in this video, you will get subscribers. It's a fact. I know I've gotten them. Number four, add a call to subscribe on your end screen. So YouTube allows you to put an end screen on there, and they give you these tools. Why not use them, right? And on the end screen you can make one of them a subscribe. Make it a subscribe and more people will subscribe. It's kind of plainly obvious that if something's there, some people will use it, but if it's not there, ain't nobody gonna use it. Okay, it's not gonna get used if you don't provide it to them. So you got to provide this stuff to them. Next thing, number five, is use an auto subscribe URL. Now that's super important. Now I generate mine in TubeBuddy, and there's a link below to TubeBuddy. I would suggest you get it. TubeBuddy is free, doesn't cost you anything, but if you use my link below and you decide to upgrade later on, it gives you a 30% discount. So you want to make sure you use my link below. Get TubeBuddy, and in TubeBuddy I can send out a link to somebody, and when they click on it, it goes directly to my channel, but then a screen pops up and it says subscribe to this channel, and all I have to do is click that, and then it goes to the channel and I've got another subscriber. So that's another tool you could use. If you're not using that, use it. It will help you get to that first 1,000. Number six, one thing that YouTube allows you to do is use pinned comments. So number six, I'm going to say use pinned comments to get subscribers. In that pinned comment, I've got a pinned comment on mine down here, and it's probably a question or something, but you can also use that in the beginning. If you're just trying to get subscribers, you can pin a comment down there that says, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my audience. If you appreciate my content, I'll make a lot of good videos on X. Just click here to subscribe, and let them know what they're going to get when they subscribe. A lot of people go, gee, yeah, I like that video, I like what you're doing here, you've reminded me by putting this comment right here, I saw it in your video, and yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll subscribe to your channel. But you got to ask. That's the key. You got to ask. If you don't ask, you won't know. I had a repair company in my house the other day, and they were working on a particular item, and 2 more items came up, and those 2 items came up to $390 additional to what that job costs. And the guy said, well, I got to charge you $390 more. I said, well, you guys care about your reputation. I saw that you're on Yelp. What if I give you a good review on Yelp instead of you charging me for those 2 things? Now that sounds crazy, right? A good review for $390. And guess what he said? He said, that'd be great. My office gives me a bonus if people give us good reviews, so I would really appreciate that. Yeah, I won't charge you this $390. Okay, so you never know what you can get if you ask. Okay, but you got to ask. And the same thing in these videos, if you're not asking, you're not going to get subscribers. It's just not going to happen. Next thing you can do, number 7, is add a subscribe call to action in your video description. So below in your video description, I always have a link down there where people can click to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, at the top I may have a pinned one that asks them, and then down further I may have another one that says click to subscribe. It's okay to ask twice. Okay, it's okay to ask twice. If we don't ask twice or 3 times or 4 times, we're not going to get as much as if we only ask once or no times. Think about that. Number 8, be part of the YouTube community. What do I mean by that? I mean, go to like channels and comment on their videos. Now I don't mean subscribe to subscribe type things. I see that all the time when people will say, I subscribe to you, why don't you subscribe to me? I don't even want people like that to subscribe to me, because those people don't understand the dynamics of YouTube. Now if I go to a YouTube channel that I want to watch and that I'm subscribed to, I have interest in that channel. I'm going to keep coming back to it. I may buy something they have on down the road. That's the kind of subscribers you want to get. I get so many comments on here that are spam, people going, I made money by doing this, and they try to put some URL in there, and most of the time YouTube just wipes out their URL. And I would imagine they spend hours if not days or weeks doing this. Sometimes I will just post below it and say, this is not a way for you to make money or get subscribers or do anything on YouTube, but if you want some help, let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. Because I don't think they know. I think they think by spamming other people's videos, that's how they're going to get more subscribers. The truth is, if you were to go to somebody's channel and they made a chocolate cake and you thought that chocolate cake was really good and delicious, and you have a cooking channel too, you could put on there, hey, I'm a home cook and I make videos too, and I noticed your chocolate cake video and I thought it was really good. I thought it was really unique the way you did the frosting. Thanks for your video. And that's all you put there. Somebody's going to read that and go, oh, that's a real person. That's a real person. I wonder what their channel's like. And maybe they'll click on it. And maybe if they go to your channel, maybe they'll subscribe. Don't ask people to subscribe to your channel by putting comments on their channel. It's just wrong. Number 9, post content on a regular and consistent basis. Now, this is probably the biggest struggle I see for people putting up YouTube channels, is that they're not consistent. They're not consistent. They'll post 3 videos in a week, and then they wait 2 months, and then they post 1, and then they wait a month and a half and they post 4. You're not going to be able to build your channel doing that. YouTube has an algorithm, and the first thing it looks for is consistency. So if you've only got 9 videos, you don't want to post them all within a week and then not post for 3 months. That's not what you want to do. If you've got 9 videos and you're trying to cover 3 months, you do better to post 3 videos in each month and let the algorithm see what your consistency is. Okay, see how consistent you're going to be. The next thing I'll tell you is on a regular basis. That's the other part of that. And a regular basis means you got to do videos. Okay, you got to do videos. I was in a room and it was a whole group of people working on their YouTube channels. He was a moderator and he was an expert on YouTube, and a guy stood up and he says, I really want to grow my channel. I need to know what to do. And the moderator says, have you made videos? And the guy says, yes, I've made 8 videos. And the guy's like, well, great, you're making videos. When did you make those videos? He said 3 months ago. He says, you haven't uploaded for 3 months? He goes, no. You got to make content, guys. You got to make content. If you're not making videos, you're not going to get subscribers. The more videos you make, the more money you're going to make and the more subscribers you're going to get. I understand that most people can't do a video every single day. Now on this channel, I do one 5 days a week, plus I have a coaching one. So that's actually 6 videos a week. Not many people can do that. That's okay. But one video every 2 or 3 months is not going to work for you. If you don't have the time to develop this content and post on a regular basis, you're not going to grow your channel. It's just not going to happen. You're not going to get to thousands of subscribers. Now, You may point out to me there's a couple channels that have 12 videos, they have 3 million subscribers. They may, some of those exist. The odds of it happening are almost zero. It's like playing the lottery. Okay, maybe they hit the lottery, but you're not going to be able to build to 1,000 subscribers if you're not posting on a regular basis. And the more often you post, the faster you're going to get there. Number 10, make your YouTube channel homepage welcoming. Okay, you could have a video there. Now you could set this video to a video that you've made just for the homepage that tells them about your homepage, which I really like, and I had one of those, but I didn't like the video I had, so I switched it out to my most popular video, which you can do that too. But if you make a welcoming homepage, if you have a nice banner up there, if people see what they're going to get, if you put up there, you know, I do cooking on barbecue, and I do ribs, and I do chicken, I do unique barbecue techniques with wood, and that's what you're going to get on my channel. They can look at that and go, oh, that is an interest of mine. I think I'll subscribe to this channel. That looks pretty cool. So I see a lot of people also just put their picture up there in a blue banner. It doesn't mean anything. When people get there, they go, yeah, it's pretty unprofessional, and it's pretty uninspiring. I don't think I'll subscribe to this. And the other thing I'll add to that is when you're uploading your videos, make sure you do some playlists. This is kind of a bonus. Okay, we're at number 10 already, but make sure you do some playlists, and in those playlists do related videos. So if I'm talking about getting traffic, and that's one of my playlists, is getting traffic, I may have videos in there on SEO. I may have videos in there on social media. So I have a lot of different videos that have to do with getting traffic. Another thing you can do with videos is make a series of videos. So let's say you made a video and it's 30 minutes long. You may want to split that into 3 or 4 videos, you know, 5 to 7 minute chunks, or 3 10-minute ones. I like to make 10 to 14 minute videos. That's really my niche right there, is 10 to 14 minutes. But if you do that and you have these playlists, you're going to get people staying on your channel longer, and that's what it's all about. YouTube wants them on the platform longer so they can serve up ads to them. Let's face it, it's all about money. As soon as you realize that, the better off you can operate in this world. It's all about money. That's it. Okay, because that's what makes the world go round. We need money to live. And if you start realizing that, and you stop saying, oh, that company just wants to make money, and that guy just wants to make money. Yes, they do. So do I, and you should too, because money's important. You know, it takes care of your health care, it takes care of your family, it takes care of your entertainment, it takes care of your safety and your housing and your shelter. You need to make money. Okay, so get over that hump right there. It's okay to make money. There's nothing wrong with that. I hope this helped you out. I hope these 10 steps will help you with your channel. I'd like to see what your results are. Post below if you've already got a channel and how you're doing and what you found that works, or if you've got questions about different things on making money online or YouTube channels, post that in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask that. If you've had some successes, share those below in the comments. People love to read those. You will get a response if you do that down there. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Right, this is all about subscribers. I need more subscribers. I need you to subscribe, and I need you to ring the bell after you subscribe. If you ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications, I can let you know every single time I do a new video. You'll know when I go live. You'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified when I do videos. I also have a $97 course below. You can get that absolutely free. You click the link and learn. No credit card required. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.